everybody, this is the Day Trade Recap. Today is July 5th, and I worked with two stocks today. I took 4 trades combined. I made $1.75 combined total from all my trades. They were mostly scalp trades. That's typically what you're going to end up doing in a bear market. If you're a bull trader in a bear market, you're going to end up scalping a lot. And I posted all of my trade plans ahead of time before I took the trades, posted them in my trade plan room for my members. It was just a matter of waiting for this setup and executing to the targets, and they knew which targets, they knew what I was looking for. The first stock that I worked with was LYT. This is a stock that ran Friday, and I talk about it in my recap from the other day when it ran. And it had fallen after it had hit the target here. This was the target I had mentioned in my recap, and it hit that day, and then it sold down and below VWAP after hours in pre-market. It was reclaiming the VWAP. So I didn't get in on that opening bell push. Basically what the push was going to was this previous kind of support level, choppy area. And then it came back down to major support after it did that. And so I saw it doing this sell off, and I thought, well, if it holds the 200 or these other two lines here, this pinkish one, reddish one, and yellow, if it bounces up off of those, then I'll take it to this previous support from that high here. And that's what I did. So I was able to get in at $5.89 and got it out at $6.20 for a 31-cent trade on that. It was pretty quick. It only took like 8 minutes, 10 minutes tops, and I was done. And then it just started to fade out. So I was looking for another stock. My scanner was calling out FFIE, which was a stock that I kind of was aware of the other day too. It ran a little bit, but I didn't trade it the other day. But today it just started to pick up a lot of volume and momentum. And so after it made this little move above this level from the other day, I told the trade plan room, this is the one, and here's your levels. And so they knew where they were going. They knew their targets, and they know in this market, we're just scalping. So go to your line, get out, look for an entry, and get in. And these little blue arrows, these light blue arrows, are really good entries to take it to your next target. This is a higher float, so the range isn't going to be huge in between the lines, and it'll run a little slower, but if you get in on these blue arrows, you can get every bit of the range between these lines. And so that was our strategy. I took the first trade right here on this first blue arrow. I got in really early at, let's see, what was my entry? $4.05. And I told everybody, hey, we're going to go to $4.40. It went a little above that, and I got out there. And so I was just looking for another blue arrow. Got it right here. My second entry on this stock was $4.72. I knew my target was going to be $5.20. And no matter what things are doing, even if the lines are still pointing up and looking strong, I get out at my lines because there's no guarantee in this, okay? I get out on my targets. And then I look for a second or a third, whatever, entry on these blue arrows. And so there I got in on this one after that little trade, which was a 40-cent trade. My first trade was 35 cents. This one was 48. And so I was just going to keep taking it up to my next targets. And this one I got in at $5.24. And I got out here at $5.85. That was the biggest trade on this one, which was 61 cents. So I did really well getting in, starting at $4.05 and getting out $5.85. And I didn't see, there was this blue entry or this blue arrow, but it was looking like a downtrend over here on this little indicator down here at the bottom. And it was trying to come down to all these major supports. So I thought, well, let's see. Let's see, things are looking weaker. These are flattening out. And I just thought I wouldn't get in there. And then it bounced, but I didn't get in anymore. I didn't get into this target. I could have, but I just didn't. But 4 trades, 3 of them on this stock and then 1 on the other for a total of $1.75. So again, all I'm doing is I draw my lines ahead of time. I put those in my trade plan room. I tell everybody, hey, you don't have to draw the targets. These are going to be valid. And they were. You can see that. And if you were in the trade room, you could see what time I posted these and how accurate these targets were. So if you need help with your target lines, or if you need a better indicator that really gives you really good continuation targets to keep going, or if you're not sure, okay, if you didn't know that this was not an entry, maybe you need someone like me to kind of help you and guide you along. And that's what I do for my trade plan members. We just trade all day long. And right now we're in a bear market, but we're staying green. I'm keeping everybody green as long as they take the right signals and they know where to get out. That's key. Anyway, that's all I have for this recap video. I hope this was helpful to you. If you need any help at all, if you have any questions, please reach out to me at Momentum Stock Traders. I'd be happy to help you. And have a great, happy day, and we'll talk soon.